Hello and welcome to another YouTube video. So this news I'm going to discuss with you guys, it's that again these are the things that I've mentioned in my very first video, the life after coronavirus. And another thing that is very important that's caught my eye is doctors in the UK say they are increasingly frustrated. The government has yet to approve trials for plasma therapy to help treat coronavirus patients. Like I said, Chinese people did the same, and the plasma transmission, and also South Korean government did exactly the same. So the therapy involves extracting plasma from the blood of people who have recovered from the virus and giving it to those who are critically ill. The idea is that antibodies produced by patients who have had survived the virus will boost the immune system of those who are trying to beat the disease. So far, more than 10,000 people have already died with COVID-19 across the UK. Trials for plasma therapy are already underway in other countries including China, France, Germany and the US, but no decision has been made in the UK. Dr. Colin Hamilton Davis leads acute cardiac critical care unit at Barts Hospital in London, has spent 30 years looking at this line of research. He said lives could be saved if action is taken immediately. Again, everything that we read about the government is not very positive. Number one thing, there's no increase on the testing. They are still lacking behind. I'm not sure if they're not getting enough tests made. I'm not sure if they can't get the deal done with the pharmaceuticals or whichever company is going to make the test kits. I'm not sure how this is going to work. I'm not sure how the vaccine process is going. I'm not sure that how long this process will take for the plasma transmission, because countries like Pakistan, they're doing it because China has tried it, it worked. So they are also sharing the information with other countries, especially in Asian countries. They are saying to them they use the same technique, use the same therapy until we get the vaccine, until we get something kind of positive on the vaccination side. Please use the same therapy, which is a plasma transmission. And like I said, it's simply a blood transmission they get from a healthy people who are recovered from the coronavirus, and this has been injected into people who are fighting for their life and their immune system is weak. So this plasma transmission will boost their system, and it's, to be honest, the doctors are frustrating because they want to show progress, they want to overcome the situation, they are trying their best, and the government is simply lacking behind. So we're not sure which way we're going because Boris Johnson is still recovering. He's not fully functional at the moment. So with this testing, there is a PPE issue, there is a vaccination issue, and now there are coming at the plasma transmission therapy as well, which is not approved. So all around, very poor performance. We don't know which way it's going to go, but the signs are not very positive from this government, and it doesn't look very positive and doesn't look very promising from this government. And I know that they are lacking behind, very seriously lacking behind, and they might not taken this very seriously either, because I don't know what the delay is. I don't want to stress this issue over and over again because you guys might get a bit bored or maybe feel a bit negative about it, but this is the truth, this is the reality. The government is not doing enough, and that's what I think, and that's what the case is, and that's what people are talking about in the media. Thank you very much. Bye bye.